We're glad you stopped by my video, which focuses on the solar energy trends of 2023 that can help your company thrive. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 trends in solar energy for 2023 and how they might affect your company. We at the Chinese solar panel production supplier recognize the value of keeping abreast of industry developments. 1. Development. Rising interest in solar power. More and more commercial and residential customers are anticipated to switch to solar power in 2023 as a means of lowering their ecological footprints. This is a huge chance for solar energy companies to grow their customer base and boost their bottom line. This bodes well for the solar panel industry, as it should see increased demand for its wares. They'll have to raise output and stockpile heavily to keep up with the surge in demand. Because of this, solar panel installation companies will have to expand their workforce in order to meet the rising demand. 2. Advances in energy storage technologies. As a means of storing extra solar energy for later use, energy storage options are growing in popularity. Businesses and families alike will likely continue their quest for energy efficiency and independence in 2023. As a supplier of solar panels, we see this development as a chance to introduce new energy storage options to our catalog. With this, we can offer our clients a turnkey solar power solution that will help them save money and become less reliant on the grid. Thirdly, more efficient solar panels are becoming more common. Solar panel effectiveness has increased year after year, and this growth is predicted to continue through 2023. As a result, solar cells will be able to generate more power from the same quantity of sunshine, lowering the cost and increasing the availability of solar power for commercial and residential use. We see this tendency as an opening to set ourselves apart from the competition as a solar panel production supplier by providing solar panels with higher efficiency. With the same amount of solar cells, our clients will be able to produce more energy, resulting in lower monthly energy costs. 4th, development. The use of AI in solar power. The use of artificial intelligence (AI) is growing in the solar energy sector as a means of enhancing the performance of solar power installations. In 2023, we can expect to see this pattern persist as companies seek to improve the efficiency of their solar power setups and cut down on their power bills. Because of this shift, we've decided to provide our clients with solar cells that feature artificial intelligence. Our photovoltaic clients will be able to maximize their systems and cut down on expenses in this way. 5. Solar-powered vehicles as a growing trend. More and more people are turning to solar-powered vehicles as a means of lowering their ecological footprint and decreasing their reliance on non-renewable energy sources. More organizations and states will likely pursue carbon reduction strategies in 2023. Maintaining the current pattern. As a supplier of solar panels, we view this development as a chance to introduce solar panels for use in vehicles. Our clients will be able to lower their carbon impact and adopt a more sustainable lifestyle as a result of this comprehensive solar energy option we will be able to offer them. As a conclusion, it is crucial for companies to keep up with the newest developments in the solar energy sector. To help our clients lower their energy bills and improve their environmental footprint, we as a solar panel manufacturer are dedicated to bringing them the most cutting-edge solar energy options available. Please select the link in the video summary to be taken to our homepage, where you can find out more information about our solar energy goods. We appreciate you tuning in, and we hope to hear from you shortly. Keep in mind that there is a wonderful chance for companies to develop and make more money thanks to the expansion of the solar energy industry. new materials for solar cells, improvements in energy storage, and the rise of community solar projects are just a few examples of the many interesting advances occurring in the solar energy industry, in addition to the trends we covered today. Businesses in the solar energy sector can remain ahead of the trends and thrive by keeping up with these developments and adjusting accordingly. Please check out the link in the video summary for additional information on our solar power offerings. Please get in touch so that we can assist you in making the most of the burgeoning solar energy market.